Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Emmanuel Yankee here. Today we are going to analyze the ABSA Group Stock. ABSA Group is a conglomerate based in South Africa. So without much ado, let's get started. So what we do is that we log into the PipNode app and then we search for the name of the instrument we are looking for, and then we view the summary statistics. We choose 10 years. We move straight to the seasonal chart, which is a forecast of how the price of ABSA stock is supposed to move through the entire year from January all the way to December. So what we can see is that the beginning of the year tends to be positive for ABSA. So the ABSA stock tends to go up until middle of February, and then it decides to take a downward spiral, and this downward spiral lasts all the way from February to somewhere May 18th. The average return for the year for ABSA stock is 4.84%, which in layman terms means that if you bought this ABSA stock 10 years ago, on average you make 4.84%. What it means is that there are some years that were losing years. Obviously, you can see that 2023 was a losing year, 2022 was a winning year, 2021 was a winning year, 2020 was a losing year, and so forth, like 2019, 2018. It's a bit of a mixed bag, but on average, you would have made 4.84%. Now, what we intend to do with this app is to know the best possible times that we can buy the stock and then close our position or sell the shares to maximize our returns. We analyze this period from January 21st to February 15th, and then we apply. And then we can see that the average profit for the period is 6.6, which means that even investing from January 2021 to February 15th, you make 6.6%, which is far greater than someone who would have held the stock for the past 10 years. The good thing is that there are other periods in the yearly cycle where we could have still made much more money. So from May 19th, we see that the ABSA stock tends to go up until June 5th. Let's check that as well. We want to find historical reliability rates that are higher, say 70%, 80%, all the way to 100%. Then we will have much more confidence in the seasonal forecast. So May 19th to June 5th, let's see the best possible time to buy. Okay, so usually I adjust until I get a higher average profit or a higher historical reliability rate. Good. So we're having a historical reliability rate of 80% now, and then the average profit for the period is 5.82, which means this period is a very good time to invest in the ABSA Group stock. Now let's check this part from July 6th all the way to July 21st. Well, this is also a good time to buy. So historical reliability rate is very high, 80%. Average profit for the period is 4.86%. So putting the returns together, we can see that we are somewhere around 15% for the year. That is if we are buying in these three periods. Okay. Now let's check from October 8th all the way to the year. Let's have a look at this. October 8th to December 30th. This is also good. So the historical reliability rate is also very high, 80%. And then the average profit for the period is 9.22. So putting all these returns together, it means we are somewhere around 25% profit for the year, right? Buying at specific times of the year. On average, every year we are going to make 25%. Now, let's have a look at the dividends payouts historically for ABSA. So this website here, Simply Wall Street, and we can see that the ABSA Group dividend is 8.4%. Now let's add the 8.4% to the average profit over the past 10 years, which is 4.84%. If we add this profit to the dividend, we are somewhere around 13%, which is still a shadow of the 25% we would have made just timing the market and then buying at specific periods of the year, right? So this is why cyclical investing or seasonal investing is far more superior to buying and hold strategies. Okay, so if you enjoyed this, make sure you click on the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you again with more insightful content. It's bye from me here.